Are you good with your hands? Do you have an eye for colour and detail? Do you enjoy solving problems? Are you interested in learning a new trade? Do you want job security and the chance to progress in your career? If the answer is yes, Magicman needs you. Magicman are the leading specialists in hard surface, restoration and rejuvenation projects with over 25 years experience and a global reach in the marine and cruise sector. Magicman paves the way for sustainable and environmentally friendly hard surface repairs worldwide. Magicman are currently recruiting technicians across the country. We are looking for dynamic individuals with an aptitude to learn and the ability to problem solve alone. In return, you will gain the best-in-class training, support, transport, and all the equipment you need to do your job. Let your journey begin and join Magicman today.